Good
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine. I am fine.
I am drinking coffee. I am drinking coffee. What time is it? What time is it? I am getting ready. I am getting ready.
I am going to work. I am going to work.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus.
I am here.
I am here.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
I am writing. I am writing.
I am working. I am working. I am working. I am speaking. I am speaking.
I feel happy. I feel happy.
I am reading. I am reading. I am typing. I am typing.
I am listening. I am listening.
I am thinking. I am thinking. I have an idea. I have an idea. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Practice every day.
Practice every day. Repeat.
Practice every day.